Wrap it in paper and place it together with the onion. An onion is a vegetable you'll find in almost every kitchen. It enhances the taste of dishes and provides vitamins. Let me show you a trick you might want to use in your own kitchen. First, prepare a paper towel. Fold a piece of paper in half. Then place another folded sheet of kitchen paper on top of it. This is necessary to increase the thickness of the paper. Next, sprinkle some baking soda in the center of the paper. Baking soda effectively prevents mold and rot by creating an environment that's less favorable for the growth of bacteria and fungi. It also acts as a natural moisture absorber. Carefully fold this paper with the baking soda into a small packet and secure it with a piece of tape. Place the packet in a basket or container with onions or among other vegetables prone to spoiling. By keeping a packet of baking soda with your onions or other vegetables, you help maintain a dry, mold-resistant environment, which prolongs their freshness and shelf life. It's a simple and inexpensive way to reduce food waste and keep your vegetables in the best possible condition. Apply this to your pots and pans. The results will surprise you. They'll look brand new. Thanks to this trick, my pots are clean and shiny. To prepare this super cleaning solution, you only need 4 ingredients. First, take 5 lemons. Cut each lemon into 2 equal halves. Then cut them again to make quarters. Put the cut lemons into a blender and blend them thoroughly. If you don't have a countertop blender, you can use a hand blender. Strain the lemon juice from the blender into a bowl using a sieve to remove the peels. Take another bowl and divide the juice into 2 parts. In one part, add 3 tablespoons of cornstarch and mix well until there are no lumps. In the other part, add 1 tablespoon of baking soda and mix thoroughly. Then, add 1 tablespoon of sugar and mix again. Now, combine the 2 mixtures by pouring one into the other and mixing them well. Your pot and pan cleaner is now ready. Simply apply it to a burnt pot. Wait a few minutes, and then scrub the pot with a scouring pad. You'll see the results almost immediately. Use this trick, and your pots will look like new. Line your oven with this trick. The results will surprise you. First, grab a dishwasher tablet. It's packed with active ingredients that tackle grease and stains effectively. If your oven is heavily burnt, with dried food residues and greasy glass, this hack will be a game changer. No scrubbing is needed to make it shine like new. Start by unwrapping 1 dishwasher tablet. Place it in a bowl and add 200 milliliters of warm water. Stir and let it dissolve. Using a sponge, generously soak it in the solution and apply it to the dirty walls of the oven. Squeeze the mixture onto the interior surfaces. Dishwasher tablets contain concentrated detergents specifically designed to dissolve and remove grease. Next, take a kitchen towel and tear it into pieces to stick onto the oven's walls. Leave it for 30 minutes. During this time, the active ingredients will break down the dirt without any effort on your part. Afterward, remove the paper, wiping away the loosened grime. Your oven will sparkle with no streaks on the glass. Cleaning a burnt oven will never be a tiresome chore again. Only 10% of people know about the button in the fridge that can help lower electricity bills. Your fridge has a small but very functional button that allows for energy savings. It helps reduce power consumption without affecting the quality of stored food. The fridge runs non-stop throughout the day, making it one of the most energy-hungry appliances in the house. Most models have a dial or control panel that allows you to adjust the temperature from 1 to 6. In the colder months, simply set the fridge to level 2 or 3, and if it's not too full, even to 1. This setting keeps the temperature between 2 and 5 degrees Celsius, which is ideal for fresh products, while also reducing energy consumption. In summer, when the ambient temperature rises or the fridge is more full, it's worth increasing the cooling level to prevent food from spoiling. It's a simple change that requires little effort but brings real savings. With this simple adjustment, you can significantly impact your monthly electricity bills. A way to quickly clean potatoes without all the scrubbing. Instead of washing them under running water the traditional way, you can use a washing machine. But that's not all. Before I show you this trick, get a large bowl, fill it with cold water, and add a few tablespoons of coarse salt. The salt acts like a natural scrub and removes dirt and soil that's often hard to wash off by hand. Place the potatoes in the solution, mix them well with your hand, and let them sit for a few minutes. Finally, rinse the potatoes under running water, and you're done. This is a classic method worth knowing. If you want to do it even faster, put the potatoes in the washing machine. Add a kitchen scrubber to help remove dirt more thoroughly from their surface. Choose a washing program, ideally one that's short and gentle so the potatoes don't get damaged. The machine will do all the work for you, gently cleaning them on all sides. After the cycle finishes, the potatoes will be perfectly clean and ready for further preparation. It's a great way to save time and reduce kitchen work, especially when cooking for a large group. Here's how to keep your home clean and tidy. We've all been there. You clean up, and moments later it looks like you didn't do anything at all. But I'll show you how to change that. With these simple tips, your home will stay clean much longer. Try to vacuum the hallway walkways every day. Also, vacuum the bathroom and kitchen. Keeping these areas clean prevents dust buildup and keeps them looking well cared for. Wiping down kitchen counters is essential for maintaining cleanliness. Use a spray cleaner. It makes the job quick and easy. Replace the bathroom towels regularly. This small habit keeps the space from getting neglected. That way, unexpected guests won't catch you off guard. Keeping sinks clean in both the kitchen and bathroom is super important. Spray them once a day with a surface cleaner. Keep your relaxation area tidy. Fluff the pillows and straighten the blanket so your couch is always ready for a cozy break. Always make sure there's fresh air in your home. Open a window whenever you have a free moment. A well-aired room feels much more pleasant. Fresh flowers can instantly elevate a space. They make your home look cared for and beautiful. And they often lift your mood too. The truth is, these tasks only take a few minutes out of your day, but they'll help you keep your home neat and cozy all the time. Put the wooden kitchen utensils into a pot. My grandmother showed me this trick. Take a medium-sized pot. Fill the pot halfway with water, then place the wooden kitchen utensils inside and bring the water to a boil. Let them boil for about 5 minutes. During this time, you will notice how all the dirt comes out of them. Wooden kitchen utensils are resistant to mechanical damage, which allows them to last for many years. However, if they are not properly cared for, they can become a breeding ground for bacteria. After 5 minutes, take the utensils out of the water, then dry them with a towel. To keep the utensils functional and looking good for a long time, you should regularly coat them with oil. It can be food-grade oil. Put a few drops onto a paper towel and thoroughly rub the wooden kitchen utensils. This will protect them from moisture and cracking, and it will also keep them in good condition for a long time.